Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it has been almost a year since I have uploaded anything on this channel. I think the last time I uploaded something was in November, which I spoke, I think, about my birth story, and that was literally like the last video that you guys ever saw of me. Of course, if you follow me on Instagram, I post on there pretty often, and also I have been posting a lot more on TikTok as well. So I've been active on those social medias, but just not on YouTube. But I'm definitely back and I am ready to upload more videos. And it definitely feels weird doing all this because I feel like a semi-rookie right now that I'm editing this video. Like I totally forgot how to do a voiceover and just had to kind of like play around with the settings to figure that out. But anyways, today I am cleaning the whole first floor, which includes my living room, dining room, and kitchen area. And I'm just basically wiping down and vacuuming as well as picking up my daughter's toys in the living room. And I kid you not, I literally vacuum every day because my daughter likes to put stuff in her mouth. So I like to make sure there's nothing there in the morning so she's able to play. I usually do vacuum at nighttime after she goes down for bed and I just pick up her toys. But she was taking a nap right now during this time. She usually naps around 12 or 1 and she will sleep for about 2 hours. So literally that's like all I needed to make this video. But I usually do vacuum at nighttime, and because I was filming this video I decided to just kind of like pick up her toys and vacuum. I knew that she was gonna pull them out eventually, but oh my god, my last video I left off with my birth journey, and I actually never spoke about my postpartum. It was actually very hard filming that video. I tried filming it so many times and I just like could never do it. Even when I was like 6 months postpartum, like I tried filming that video and it was really hard. So I kind of just like gave up with uploading videos, and I just kind of have been taking care of my daughter. I have actually dedicated myself to just taking care of her this past year. So I haven't worked. I actually ended up graduating from college, which I think I've said that previously. So literally, my whole focus this past year has just been on my daughter. But guys, I cannot believe that in almost 2 weeks, I am gonna have a whole 1 year old. Like, where did this year go? Because it just went by so fast, and I am just so mind blown by how much has happened this past year. Like, literally, she started off by just laying in bed, crying, and you have to feed her bottle and change her, etc., etc. And now she's over here crawling, she's standing up, she's getting ready to walk. She doesn't change herself, obviously, but like if you put her shirt on and you kind of like put her hand in the hole, like she'll extend her arm, which she's been doing for a while now. But just like her going from just laying down, doing nothing, to doing all these things now, it's just amazing. Like, where does time go? Today, we actually went to a restaurant and some older lady asked us how old she was. And I was like, she'll be she'll be 1 in 2 weeks. And she was like, oh, I have a like 38-year-old, I think she said. And, I wish they could stay that little. And, like he's grown now, etc. And I can feel her pain because my baby is only one, but before I know it, she is going to be getting married, having her own kids. And I know I'm over exaggerating. I have a long time to go, but just the fact that this whole year went by super fast, like I just can't imagine the rest of the year is going by super fast. So like before I know it, that time is just gonna be here. And it's also just like a whole bunch of mixed emotions, typical mom stuff where you're happy that your baby's growing up and you get to see their personality come out more and just see them doing things individually, and just like, eventually she'll be able to change herself and use the bathroom and speak more clearly. And at the same time, you're just sad that your baby isn't a baby anymore. Like, I can't hold her like that anymore. She doesn't really like to be held, like, kind of like cuddled, and that just makes me sad. I had a really hard time putting her newborn clothes away. Like, she was born and I did not put her clothes away until she was about 6 months, but I still kept it in her room. It was actually in a bin, and I didn't put it in the attic until she was like 8 months, which I was just really hard for me to let go of her newborn clothes. And it's just up there, and like, oh my God, it just makes me emotional that, that clothes is very tiny, and like she will never fit in that clothes anymore. So it's just a very like emotional time, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cry on her first birthday because the whole thing is just crazy, to be honest. Also, my hair is like super long. I cut it last year and it grew so fast. And I think it was because of the whole like postpartum and giving birth and stuff. But I really want to cut it at least by next week because I kid you not, I am going to be bald by the end of this year if I don't cut it, because my daughter pulls on my hair so much that literally like so much of it falls out every single day. And I can see strings of hair in her little arms all the time because she's always pulling on it.
Turn around and show your face. Let me see parts of you. Oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy. And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh, we will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Stay close when it rains. Let me keep parts of you. Hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you, breath after breath. Hold on, so beautiful. And if you fall, I will catch you. We will dance away gloomy days right can hear you within the silence. Ooh. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight.
So I honestly hate cleaning the kitchen. Like I literally dread it because whether I cook every single day or not, it's always just dirty and it's always the messiest part of the house. So I honestly just like dread cleaning it every single night.
Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, so slow. Hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you,
So that is all for today's video. This is what my house looks like when everything is put away. There's no toys on the ground and stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope I post on here more often. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.